Hello everyone! It's me, Iza, and today I'll be sharing with you a little trip to Baler. So, first time pupunta ng Baler, and I'm with my sister, pati yung mga aso niya. And try ko ikwento sa inyo what happened. So, Wednesday, sabi ako ng kapatid ko na, hey, Baler tayo. Ako naman, kalat-kalat. So, sige, sumama na ako on the trip. So, it's actually a long road trip. We went at around 3 o'clock ng Wednesday, nakarating kami ng Baler almost 8 o'clock. 5 hours na biyahe. Upon arrival, diretso check-in. Nandito kami sa may Balay by Dogtown, nag-stay. And it's actually a pet-friendly and okay din naman for the budget. Tapos dito siya alongside Sabang Beach talaga. So malapit yung Balay by Dogtown sa Kubli Restaurant na isa sa mga sikat din dito sa Baler. First time ko to be in Baler, pero yung kapatid ko, second or third time niya na, no, napabalik-balik dito sa Baler. Some for work purposes and others then ay for trip. So day 1, ang pinaka-nagawa na namin ay kumain. So we went to Yellowfin Bar and Grill and inihaw fix yung ginawa na. So sabi sa kapatid, parang gusto ko ng inihaw and it's actually good place to eat. Tapos hanggang 1 AM yung sila bukas. And then the price is also reasonable. You can pay via GCash kung wala kang cash spend. And true enough, no, during the whole trip on Baler, meron namang ATM pala na malapit. So, in case you really need cash, pwede ka rin naman mag-ATM. So, that's day 1 altogether. So we just arrived here sa may Paradise Beach Resort. Pinikula na kami sa Baler area. Kasi almost 1 hour to away from where we were staying. 150 entrance, hindi na namin binalak mag-cottage kasi medyo hapon na rin when we arrived. Ayun yung kapatid ko, pati mga aso niya, naliligo na. Dun! Sobrang fine ng sanda, in fairness. Lakas Boracay feels. Baler area kasi medyo surfing, pero ito kahit paano parang makakaligo ka talaga. Right now, i-attempt natin maligo. Waiting ako for dinner as well. But, I'll see you around. Punta lang ako sa may lapit sa dagat. Sobrang lakas ng alon. Hindi pa rin siya yung pwede ka maligo dito. Pero much better kasi naman ka sa Baler or your surfing talaga. So, kaya na rin naman pero tumataas o tumaangat yung alon. Some Nutella pancakes. Saan tayo mga pupunta today?
Ermita Hill.
Ermita Hill. Rock formation, tsaka city nila. ang hindi pwedeng palampasin di landscape. So, those are the itinerary. hiking naman pala bago makarating. Sobrang sarap, guys. Here's our breakfast. Pamsilog, nilaga, tuna, fried. And then, ito yung ating Spanish latte. And then, yung ate ko ay may flat white.